Hey guys, welcome. I'm gonna show you how to set up your system for React using React CLI. I assume that most of you already know how to do this, but for the new guys out there who don't, let's get into it. In order to use React CLI, you need NodeJS installed on your system and a Node package manager that comes with it. So let's go to Node.js. You have an option to download the long-term support, that's LTS, and the latest features. For the purpose of this video, I'm gonna use long-term support, and I highly recommend using that one. So you click on it, it's gonna get downloaded, you open that file and follow the instructions to install it. After you install your node, you actually want to make sure that it's installed in your system. I'm gonna open up my terminal. I'm using git bash. So let's see if the node is installed. Let's type node-v. Okay, we have version 10.15, and then let's check for the npm node package manager. So it's npm-version. Okay, we have node and npm. Now we can install create React app globally. For that we need to type npm I and then -g to install it globally, and then type create React app. On your system this will probably take a minute or couple minutes. In my system, because I already have it installed, it took only 2.5 seconds. Now when we have create React app CLI, we can actually start building our React boilerplate. So you create a folder called React Boilerplate, and if you have git bash, you can right click, and in the drop down menu you have an option to git bash here. What is it gonna do? It's gonna open the git bash in the location of your choice. Now we can actually install the React app. So we type create React app. Now we specify the path, which is the current folder, by typing / and then the name of the application. In our case it's React Boilerplate. After we install React, we can navigate to the folder, right click on it and open it with the editor of our choice. If you don't see open with code or open folder as WebStorm project, it probably means that you did not check the option to allow this. Instead, you can just open your editor and then open the project, navigate to this folder. But I'm gonna use open folder as WebStorm projects. And this is our React boilerplate. As you can see, it automatically created a folder structure, but we do not need all of these. So I'm gonna get rid of favicon, app CSS, app test, index CSS, logo, and service worker. Let's delete those. My editor is gonna check in comments for text usages, and it's gonna alarm me that I'm using these files somewhere, and basically tells me that my app is gonna crash if I just delete it without editing those files afterwards. But I'm just gonna delete it and now edit. So let's go to HTML and remove favicon, remove the comments, and change the name to React Boilerplate. Now when I save, you'll see that my editor formatted my code. Let's go to the app, remove logo, remove CSS, remove this initial markup, and just type app, works. Okay, go to index, remove CSS, remove service worker, and again save, and we're done. Okay, let's go npm start to see if our application actually works. Okay, let's open the console to make sure that we have no errors. Okay, The application is running, we have no errors, we are ready to go.